Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel Physics Tutor. So in here we are going to learn operation on sets where we will talk about only three things today. Actually that will be four things, but the third thing will be similar in kind of case. Let me give you very basic idea about the set. What is set first of all? If A represents a certain amount of data, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the data that represented by A, while B have also some amount of data, that is 3, 4, 5. So that possibility is endless. We don't have any limitation for that, and as you can see the data are shown over here. That is, union means all the data of A and B you have in the top, you have to write it in the sequence. Very simple. All the data you have to write it in sequence. So as you can see, 1 is the first one, okay, then 2, then both having 3, that is the common data, so it is 3 only. Again both having 4, it is as well one common data, so 4, again 5. So as you can see, all the datas, even common datas, are written in proper sequence. So that is what you do in union. Coming to intersection right now, in this intersection part we have to do totally opposite of union. Only we have to choose the common part between these two. So as we already know that the common part is 3 in this both case and 4 as well. So intersection will always choose the common part in proper sequence. So don't write is 4 comma 3, always try to write in sequence. Okay. So let me discuss the subtraction of set. How we will do that? That is, if A is subtracted by B, then see that in A 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 datas were there, but in B 3, 4, 5. So the common datas will be eliminated. Remember that the common datas will be eliminated. I am writing this to make you understand better. So remember, you are eliminating from A. So something, if something will remain, that will come from A, not from B. Remember that you are eliminating from A. So if something will remain, that will come from A, not from B. Okay, so first of all, which part will be eliminated? That is 3. You don't have to cut it like that, but I am showing you. So 3 and 4 will be eliminated. So if something will remain, that will be come from A, cause you subtracting from A. So keep remember that. Achha. So another thing I will show you right now. Similarly, if we do B minus A, then what will happen? Now if anything remain, that will be come from B, not from A, cause we are subtracting from B. So from B subtracting, and from B the remaining part will occur. So this form part is very important. Okay, so right now I'm also writing the data over here, that is 3, 4, 5 and subtracted by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So common thing again, 3 and 4, they are going to cancel. But if something will remain, that will be from the B because it is in the initial. So 5 will be your answer. I hope the idea is clear right now about the subtraction. And as I told you, the fourth part also is quite related with this subtraction, that is the third part. So now come to the complementary part, complementary set. What is that? That is A dash is equal to eta minus A. What is that actually? Let me give you the idea. Say eta is having the data 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Eta is having the data. Eta is also another set that having complementary data, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So again we just have to do the subtraction from here, right? 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, then up to 10. I'm not writing all that over here. I'm just writing with given dots. Then subtract it with 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I told you, the same part we're going to eliminate from here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is present in all this part, but the rest of the parts will come from the eta that will stay in your answer. So as the eta is the first one, you are subtracting from eta. So if something will remain, that will be from the data of eta. So what will remain? That is up to 4, 1 to 4, all the things are cancelled. But after 4, that is starting from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will remain right now. So I think the idea is clear and we write the complementary like this. So we will jump to the exercise right now. So all we have to start with the first one, that is A is given as, I'm not writing this one anymore, you have your book and also I'm showing it over here, so please take it from here. I will do the sum over here. Okay, so A and B values are given. First of all, part 1, all you have to do the union. So A union B. And what I told you about union, that is all the given data you have to write in sequence, and if anything is common, just write it only once. So first one is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Then as you can see, it is up to 8 with all sequence. And also in here 3, 5, 7, up to here all the data are common, so we don't have to worry about that. So let me write all that, 5, 6, 7, 8 also. Now after that, it is not present in that A, but still in B. So how many are present? That is 9 and 11 only. So after 8, we'll have 9, then last 11. So that will be your union. Now coming to part 4, where you have to do the intersection. Intersection means what? I told you, just the common ones you have to write in sequence. So which are the common ones over here? That is 3, 5, 7 only. These three things or these three numbers are common in both. So 3, 5, 7 will be the intersection. I hope the idea is clear right now for you. Very simple. Don't take it very complicatedly. Just think it very simply with the given data and the proper ideas. You will execute it very well and in very small time. Also remember that. Okay. So now moving to the part 2, where we will do the complementary part. I'm doing part 2. As you can see, A is given as consonants. So, and eta is given as all the alphabets. So what should be the complementary part? That is A dash equal to eta minus A, as I told you earlier. So eta represent all the alphabets. A represent only the consonants. Then if something will remain after the subtraction, that will be vowels, obviously. So the answer will be vowels. A, E, I, O, U. You can also write it like that, A, E, I, O, U. That will be also applicable. Okay. Coming to part 4. Let me erase all this thing first. In part 4, A represent the letters K, A, L, K, A, Kalka. Wow. और कोई नाम नहीं मिला. Okay. B, Kolkata. Now that is different. So Kolkata. So these are the given letters over here. All you have to do, you have to find the elimination part. Oops, one thing I did over here, that is not B, that is given as eta. So you need to find the complementary of A. So eta minus A, as I told you. Now, if something will remain, that will be remain from Kolkata. That means from eta, because we are cutting or subtracting from eta. Remember that. I'm just writing, but you don't have to write it like that. You can directly answer after the formula as well. No issue with that for set. Okay, so two k's are there in both. Sorry, one thing I missed over here. So as you can see, two k's are there and two a's are there. So k and a both are cancelled. Now L also there, both L are cancelled. Only if something is remain, that is O and T. So this thing is remaining in the first one, so the answer should be O and T. So that is what about this one, about elimination, or you can say the complementary of the given set. Now all you have to do, just finish 1 and 2 the rest of the sums and submit it in the next class.